Mm-mm-mm. Wagwan everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a grilled peach cobbler. You're going to need a dessert to lively up that barbecue. Let's go. Thing we're going to talk about for this cook is the setup. As you notice, we have it in an indirect setup. So we have some B&B briquettes laid out here because we want this to last for the amount of time that we need this cook to run. And the briquettes are really dense. So these can run you about 4 to 6 hours, depending on how hot you're running it. These are going to run me about 3.5 to 4 hours because I'm looking for about 350, 375 for the peach cobbler. We have the briquettes here, and then I have the chimney flipped upside down, and up here we have that section filled with lump. When this lump gets hot, we're going to sprinkle that all over the briquettes. We'll use that initial heat to grill the peaches, and then after that we will shut it down, and now we will have it heat on this side, and we're going to have the cobbler bake on the opposite side. So this cook is going to run in 2 separate phases. So let's get into it. So after you've had all your ingredients together, you're going to go ahead and do the prep. And just remember, the full recipe is down in the description box below. So make sure you guys go check that out. Also, all of the equipment that I'm using, links are there for my Amazon store and for my Weber products. As you can see right here, we are grilling up these peaches over a low heat, and when you start with a little bit of charcoal, the briquettes are not yet hot, and so you won't burn your peaches too much. Get a little charring on the peaches, don't worry about that. That is just going to add to the flavor of the grilled cobbler. Now I'm melting down the butter and 1 cup of sugar in my Dutch oven here. And you can use a skillet, like a 12-inch cast iron skillet would be perfect for this recipe. You're gonna get those worked in with the sugar and the butter, and you just want to get the peaches softened just a little bit. I'm using fresh peaches. If you use canned peaches, then it's gonna be less, but I prefer the fresh peaches. Again, all the ingredients for the dough is down below, so you go ahead and follow that instruction. This is a real simple recipe. I don't like baking, and this is really easy to make. After you assemble your cobbler, you can stir it if you want. I prefer not to most times. I tried not to stir it today and see what result I get. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you see when we make weekly posts. Now midway through the cook on the cobbler, make sure you flip it around if you're cooking it on the Weber. That way you will get some even cooking. There you have it. Here's more cobbler. So here we have the finished product. This is the grilled peach cobbler. So if you guys watch the video, you'd see that we grilled the peaches and then we assembled the cobbler. All right, let's get in here. Make sure you have a good healthy bite of peaches under there with the dough, and then gotta have that vanilla ice cream, right? There you have it, a bowl peach cobbler with vanilla ice cream.